Archana, it can't be good news for Dr. Reddy's. What's the road ahead in that case?
Well, it's certainly very, very bad news for Dr. Reddy's, both as far as financial impact is concerned, as well as sentimental impact on the stock and the company is concerned. Not one, not two, three plants which have received warning letters by the US FDA for non-conformation to manufacturing standards and non-compliance to quality standards that US FDA lays out. API manufacturing facility at Srikakulam, API manufacturing facility at Miryalaguda in Telangana, and an oncology manufacturing unit in Duvada, Visakhapatnam are the three plants which have been slapped with a warning letter by the US FDA. While the bigger impact on the financial terms would be about 10 to 12% of total revenues come from these three plants for Dr. Reddy's, and about 25 to 30% of their US sales come from these three facilities. Now remember, the company does about $250 to $300 million of revenues from US market on a quarterly basis, which means about $60 to $70 million of US sales is at risk now with the warning letters to these three plants. The impact would also be on the future drug approvals. Already drug approvals had slowed down for Dr. Reddy's. It has only received 3 approvals in 2015 till now, that too including generic Nexium, and all these 3 approvals were done after the site transfer were made out of Srikakulam to other plants. So drug approvals will definitely slow down. And the third impact would be on the margins, because remediation costs would rake up the costs for the company, impacting margins. Sales are less, costs would go up. So these three would be the financial impact, but the bigger impact would be the sentimental impact on the stock. Also, one big concern which has been raised has been on the non-disclosure of FDA observations on 2 plants. While the company had very categorically and openly discussed the remediation processes and the 483 observations by the US FDA at Srikakulam, they had not even made a mention of the inspections that were made at Duvada as well as the Telangana facility, the API as well as the oncology facility. So that is one big concern and would be up for a lot of debate by the industry.
Absolutely no wonder then that stock was down by 14.5%. Clearly investors not taking that well, but let's take a short break on that note. Coming up on After the Bell.